Is there anything better than smelling the sea and soaking up the sun on a relaxing cruise? How about enjoying all of that and more on a cruise for free? Believe it or not, it isn't too good to be true. Keep watching to learn about 6 ways almost anyone can get a free cruise. Attend a presentation. Timeshare companies expect people to be a little selfish sometimes, so they're sweetening their deals to get people caught in their scammy webs. If you have a will of steel, you too can bag some free or cheap vacations just by giving up 2 hours of your time. The only catch is that you have to make more than $70,000 per year and typically have to be older than 55 to receive an invitation to a timeshare presentation. Enter a sweepstakes. Sweepstakes are an incredible marketing opportunity for any business. Not only do people volunteer information about themselves for entry, but a business also implants their name in the minds of millions. Sure, the chances of winning are low, but it costs nothing to enter. Plus, you can increase your chances of winning a cruise by entering contests directly sponsored by cruise lines. Be wise when choosing your cruise contest and you could be sailing within the year. Credit card points. The credit card points game used to be something only the rich could pull off. It's risky, but if you're diligent about paying off your balance each month, you can rack up points in no time. While your first instinct might be to use a cruise-related card, you'll get more credit using an airline-related card. Or if you have a really good handle on your finances, just stack your rewards credit cards. Be a leader. You might be able to snag at least a cheap cruise by being a group leader. If you experience a cruise with a group of friends you love to hang with, you're more likely to go again. This is why some cruise companies run a group leader promotion. If you can get at least 3 of your friends to go on a cruise, you might be able to take advantage of group leader discounts. Become a speaker. Are you an expert in your field? You might be able to get on board a cruise for free. Most cruise lines will include a seminar or 2 for the intellectuals on board. Most enrichment programs require at least 5 presentations per cruise before they'll discount or compensate your fare. Earn your cruise. Employees get perks. Of course, you'll have to travel in the off-season, but you can cruise for free if you're a valued employee of most any major cruise line. Cruise ships need everything from cooks to maids to entertainers to photographers, as well as hairstylists, childcare experts, and comedians. If you can handle months of getting on and off a boat, then you can get a cabin for free when you're not on a work contract. There you have it, 6 easy ways that you can score a free cruise. Ready to set sail? Pack your bags and check out our deals page and be the first to discover exclusive deals on cruises. And if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.